Alright, we are here to test out the Raminator. Brushless Raminator. We got the, you can see it down in there, the Lehner 3080 with the Johnny Crash Racing conversion kit and a Flier ESC tucked up underneath there. Yeah, maybe you can see it. And the GPS hanging out here. So this is the first test run, I guess. I don't really know how I'm gonna do speed test, but I'm gonna zero out the GPS just to kind of feel it out, see what it does. I gave it a quick little bit of throttle and holy crap, it's just a little bit and it's wheeling, or it's just crazy power. Woo! It's a handful trying to get full throttle out of this thing for sure. Woo! There you go. This thing's ridiculous. Torque, tons of torque. Crazy. Tires are ballooning a little bit. And I have to be careful, try not to blow anything out. All right, let's see what we can do. Ooh, doing a little bounce there. This thing will wheelie with no problem. It's a good thing I got that wheelie bar. We'd be tearing up the back of the body for sure. Look at that. This thing is crazy. All right, let me bring it back here. Check the GPS out. Okay, stop. I don't know how fast it was, but we'll see here. 41, that's not too bad because I'm not even really getting full throttle, I don't think. Here, let me zero it out again. Maybe we can try to get a good pass out of this, but I want to check temperatures and see how everything is doing in here. Let's check the back of the motor. It's 49 degrees Fahrenheit. So nothing. The front is about 55, 72. So yeah, I'd say that's satisfactory. The ESC is about the same. It's not very warm today, so I don't expect any extra heat from that, but you know, just kind of checking if I can get it down in the can. It's about 80 inside. That's still totally not bad. The wires don't even feel super hot. Let's see, how are our servos? NSDRC 2500s are cool as a cucumber. Same with the batteries, I'm sure. These things probably aren't breaking a sweat. Yeah, nothing, not even warm hardly. I'm only running the servos and the receiver, everything off of 3S. I don't even have a 4S on here yet, but it's like, it's fine really. So this thing is stupid, which is exactly what we planned. Okay, let's see here. We got an audience recording. It's really hard to try to get full throttle with the tires and the grass and everything. It's woo. Yeah. There we go, full throttle. Those tires are not liking that speed. I can see that. So I want to try to keep it down. It's a beast though. This thing is crazy. Woo! Brakes work pretty good. Mechanical brakes are not bad. I don't know. They seem to stop pretty good to me. I do have the Flier on like 25% braking, so there's really not a whole lot going on there, but it's pretty much the majority of mechanical brakes, so that's pretty good. Well, this thing is pretty sweet. It may not have a roar of a gas engine that some people like, but I can be over here having fun and nobody's yelling at me to leave, so there is that bonus. Yeah. Well, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give it a quick little test run. So there we have it. We'll have to check it out and maybe give it another run or two and just go over everything, make sure everything's good on the truck still. But at any rate, that's it. All right, take care everybody. Stay safe. A little air time with it. These tires act like giant bumpers.